Hi, my name is Namrata.
ये है आशा.
I'll not reveal a lot क्योंकि obviously I want all the viewers to watch the show, but all I can say is it's about this guy who's a teen sensation जो college में बहुत ही hip, सारी लड़कियाँ उस पे they all are like just flat over him कि he's like the coolest thing around, and my character is like Srinita, her name is Srinita. It's like I don't give a damn कि कौन है, होगा तो अपने में होगा. How the hell do I care about this guy? और कुछ नहीं, so she has this I don't give a damn kind of an attitude, and it's very different from what I've done previously on television. Very briefly, whatever I've done उससे काफ़ी different है.
So my character is Prince, who is a college sensation on internet, and he's viral, basically the QTube and all these things. So he wants to be in a bigger limelight. So he has this manager who is trying to fix him up with this dance reality show. And there's this girlfriend who's not actually his girlfriend, but just a publicity, like having a hot, beautiful girl with him. So that's the whole plot over there. He falls in love with this girl called Srinita, who's a South Indian, studied in Bombay, and she's come here to her sister's place to study in Chandigarh. Who's very much not interested in the small-time celebs or anything, because she's seen too much in Bombay. तो यहाँ पे मैं अपने फैंस से भागते हुए मैं एक रिक्शा में घुस जाता हूँ. वहाँ से हमारी एक छोटी सी स्टोरी चालू होती है, क्योंकि मैं घर नहीं जा पा रहा हूँ क्योंकि एक प्लॉट हो गया जो आपको शो देख के पता चलेगा. तो वहाँ से आई वोंट रिवील टू मच, सो यू बेटर वॉच.
कहाँ खोए हुए हो तुम? पहले जो मैंने देखा था वो.
It's just been 2 months since Buddy Project ended, तो ये एक अच्छा स्टोरी था which appealed to me, and production house भी बहुत अच्छा है, तो I said I must give it a shot.
It's good. It's very hectic. I don't have time to do anything else besides कैमरे के सामने जाके you have to like go perform, then come back, change, perform again. So there's no time कि आप बैठ के कुछ और सोचो या कुछ और करो. It's like round the clock.
Wonderful production house, wonderful people, very cooperative, very understanding. So it's I'm lucky that Buddy Project के production के बाद मुझे ऐसे एक अच्छे production house में काम करने का मौका मिला है.
It feels nice. It feels nice. It actually इतनी जल्दी हो रहा है सब कुछ, because I got a call and we are shooting today. It's like so sudden. I think एक बार जब shoot वूट खत्म हो जाएगा, then I'll sit back and reflect कि okay fine, I was a part of the show and the show is coming on air. So yeah, it feels great.
I would love to say that please watch this episode, give me feedback, negative, positive, doesn't mind. Just watch the show and love me. I'm back for you guys.
I'd just like to say that please watch our episode, because we are putting in, मुझे नहीं पता था, आप लोग को ये पता रहना चाहिए कि whenever we do an episode उसमें बहुत मेहनत लगती है. There are thousands, not thousands, but yeah, there are a lot of people who are involved. एंड हर एक लेवल पे, कास्टिंग से लेकर, प्रोडक्शन से लेकर, कॉस्ट्यूम, एवरीथिंग, उसमें इतनी डिटेलिंग होती है और यहाँ पे लोग बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं. तो आई वांटेड टू वॉच द शो, एंड स्पेशली दिस एपिसोड, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई हैव इन इट. बट या, इट्स अ वेरी गुड शो, सो यू शुड कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग दिस एपिसोड.